So, you got a Tesla Model 3, or Y, and let's be honest, the backseat experience is fine. If you frequently have passengers, they'll probably ask, why can't I control the AC, or is there anything to do back here?
Ooh, look at that. Hello, sunshine. What you got here for me? Oh, it's an Android. I knew that. No, seriously, I do know that it's an Android, which is why it's pretty cool. Oh, here you go. See, this thing. Oh my God, how the heck? So I don't need a cable, like in the video that I've been watching, to connect to the, oh, you are amazing, to this passenger seat, which is on the right side, to move it back and forth. It just know this connection already know. This is some advanced stuff, man. Oh, baby, I love you. Oh my God, it works. Oh, I am in love. I'm gonna play with this quickly. Here's music. Here is, here's the menu. Oh, it's smooth. Yeah, baby.
Enter the 8.66-inch 1280 by 800p IPS rear entertainment screen. Here's what this screen brings to the table. Backseat passenger get independent climate control, including seat heating for all 5 seats, 4-way airflow adjustment, and even seat positioning for the front passenger seat, so the back passenger can move the seat up without relying on the driver. Check routes and traffic without bothering the driver. It's functional, but not as fluid as Tesla main screen. It's still responsive and effective for its purpose. Dual built-in speakers provide decent sound quality directly from the screen. If you prefer a more private listening experience, Bluetooth pairing allows you to connect headphones or Bluetooth speakers for a more immersive audio experience. Running Android 13 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, you can download apps and games directly from the Google Play Store. The 25 watts fast charging USB-C port is great for keeping phones and tablets powered up. You can even open the glove compartment from the back seat. Installation is surprisingly easy. No rewiring required. Plug and play, and you're good to go. It took me an hour, most of which was cable management. Power off your Tesla to avoid accidental button presses. Use the trim removal tool to gently pry off the bottom rear cover. Locate and remove the screws holding the upper rear cover. Pull the AC unit out to detach it. This unit is going to be extracted to be replaced with this unit.
Pull the red tab to the left, push down this blue lever, and we wiggle it out.
Plug the wiring harness into the power and data port behind the bottom cover.
So now we connect this guy to one side. If I can do this right. Okay, that connects well. And then we connect this guy in here. That's one end of the cable that was provided.
Connect the other end of the wiring harness to the back of the screen.
So let's see. If I'm right, it's lefty tighty, righty loosey, something like that. This guy right here that comes from the touchscreen unit will connect to the other end of that cable with this guy. And with the magic of one hand, click it like it's hot. Oh, I hear something. I hear a click. Let's test the other side. Okay, they're flushed. Flushed is good. And let's flip it over and see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Hello, sunshine.
Plug in the closed loop adapter to complete the circuit.
There you go. You hear a click, and that means you did something right, or you broke something.
Attach the upper panel to the bottom of the screen. Align the screen with the vent area and press it in until it snaps securely into place.
So just remember, anything plastic, you don't want to over tighten, because it's going to crack, and it's going to be hard to find an aftermarket.
Reattach the bottom cover. By aligning it properly and pressing it firmly into place, it's a snug fit, but it will click in securely. The screen should power on automatically. That's it. No drilling. No complicated setup. The moment you open the door, the screen turns on instantly. First, it loads the wallpaper, then the Android logo, before settling into a Tesla-like UI. If left untouched for a while, it switches to an always-on display, showing the day and time, which is quite useful since Nikki always asks for the time. Once you exit the car and close all the doors, the screen shuts off automatically. This level of integration makes it feel like a true extension of the car, rather than just another aftermarket add-on. Now, it's not all perfect. It integrates well, but don't expect the same seamless feel as the front touchscreen. If you're getting it for the cool factor, you might use it less than you think. Unless you have frequent backseat passenger, this is a great convenient upgrade. Otherwise, it's a cool but optional flex, perfect for a car meet or a secret gaming room in Tesla's setup.